How to go viral on YouTube with 0 subscribers. You don't need subscribers to go viral on YouTube. In fact, most viral videos come from channels with almost 0 subscribers. If you're a small YouTuber trying to grow fast, this video might completely change how you see the YouTube algorithm. How YouTube actually works. Here's the biggest myth on YouTube. People think YouTube promotes channels. It doesn't. YouTube promotes videos. Every video has been judged on its own performance, which means a brand new channel can go viral at any time. The viral formula. There are 3 things that make YouTube videos go viral. Click-through rate, watch time, and audience retention. If people click your video and keep watching, YouTube pushes it to move viewers. That's how videos explode with views. How to get clicks without subscribers. To go viral, your video must make people stop scrolling. This happens through powerful titles and thumbnails that create curiosity, instead of boring titles that make viewers need to click. The 10-second retention trick. If viewers leave in the first 10 seconds of your video stops getting recommended. That's why the first 10 seconds of your video are the most important part. Start with a bold statement, a shocking fact, or a question that hooks the viewer instantly. The loop watch strategy. Big creators secretly use what's called the loop watch strategy. They create videos that make viewers rewatch parts without realizing it. More rewatch time means more watch hours, and more watch hours tell YouTubers your video is valuable. Why small YouTubers can grow fast. Small channels actually have a huge advantage. You can experiment faster, post more often, and test different videos styles until something takes off. You don't need subscribers to go viral. You just need the right video structure. If you're focused on clicks, retention, and watch time, your videos can grow much faster than you think. And if you haven't watched my video and getting 4,000 watch hours fast, go watch it next on my channel. Subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies.